Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get Subnautica 2 for free. This is available on Steam and Xbox, and it is a pretty expensive game costing around $30 US. I'm going to be showing you how to get a free digital copy of Subnautica 2. So before I show you this method, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for money saving tutorials. And like I said, this game is available on Xbox and PC/Steam, so this is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem on your platform of choice, and it is going to go ahead and get you Subnautica 2 for completely free. As you can see, you can play it on Xbox, Steam. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial, and it's going to take you a few minutes, but it is well worth it. So use your mobile phone to obtain your digital game code, guys. So I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well, and you just need to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So Crash Coupons, and it's going to bring you to this website, and you need to find the Subnautica 2 free digital game code page. You can scroll down and look for it, or you can use the search bar where you can just type Subnautica 2 in, and it should pop up. Free digital game code. So yeah, I'm just going to select it here. This is available Xbox and PC/Steam. And like I said, this is a digital game code, guys. So you literally grab your personal code, redeem it on whatever platform you choose to play on, and it's going to download Subnautica 2 for completely free. So obviously this is $30, so you do need to unlock your personal game code. This stops people getting hundreds of free copies of the game. You can only do this once. So click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this page here, guys, that tells you what you need to do. So basically, long story short, to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. Now, these basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can supply these free game codes. These tasks are all completely free. You need to choose 2 of them, follow the instructions below each of the tasks that you choose. These are basically like things like installing and opening mobile apps, answering survey questions and stuff. So yeah, just make sure you follow the instructions, complete 2 of the free tasks on this page, and once you do that, it will then reward you with your Subnautica 2 free game code. So you grab your code from the box, redeem it in the Microsoft Store, in the Steam Store, and that is going to get you Subnautica 2 for free, guys. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons and then find the Subnautica 2 free digital game code. Let me know what you think of the game. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.